Hey Taylor, this is Saravanan here. Hey, thought I'll put a quick video doing some analysis. Hey, this is the population of Pittsburgh, the city you want to rank in. 303 population. Just want to show you I had ranked one of my clients in more than double the size, in Detroit. And if you pull it up, wedding photographers Detroit, probably gets about 70 or 80 searches a month. But don't go by Google Keyword Planner. This is my guy. We ranked in a page, Jason Schweitzer, in one in Detroit and one in Ann Arbor. And this is generating a ton of calls, especially during season. It's in the maps. It's going to generate a ton of calls. Just wanted you know, wedding photography. I even have a lead gen site now I'm working on because there's a lot of money in wedding photography if you do it right. First things, your client's site is showing an internal server error. I'm not sure if you knew about it. But let's pull up the main keyword, right? You want to rank for Pittsburgh wedding photography. These are the top three guys. They're pretty big. They are the top three guys in the maps. They got a hell of a ton of reviews. I'm not sure how many reviews your guy has, but we can work on that if they don't. But the three guys in the maps are also the top three here, in organic also. And I don't know if you know about the Google blended algorithm and things like that, but bottom line is if these guys are ranking in the maps and organic, the same top three guys, that's pretty heavy competition. Keyword search wise, for your main keyword, there's 110 searches a month. But I know, like the variation of it, wedding photography Pittsburgh, it had about 70 searches a month. But these are just the main keywords. Almost always the SEOs make the mistake of just going after the main keywords. But we could also go in and tailor like so many different secondary long tail keywords that people are searching for and get so many calls out of those. Okay. So just want to throw that in you. I pulled up the first guy, this guy, Lean Murray Photography. And I grabbed that URL and put it in Majestic just to see kind of where they stand, the links and things like that. One of the good things I did notice, of course, it's slow just when you need it. The website's slow. But what I noticed was your client, they have Christite, ChristyTelnov.com. The good thing is, they have some links going that's all branded, which is awesome. We don't have to undo any unnecessary anchor text. They're all about Christy Telnov photography. Christy Telnov. That's amazing. We even have a kind of an exact match anchor text over here, and then a couple of, one-offs, which is perfect. No big deal. That's awesome. So that way we don't have to undo anything. But when we picked up the main guy, he's got a domain authority of 34, which is pretty high. The top three guys have all 34 and 33 for domain authority. A hell of a lot of links. I just want to show you the first one here. He's got 4,000 links from 400 websites. I think Christie had like 18 domains referring. Yeah, 18. It's not that we can't outrank them. We can definitely. We got some neat little tricks up our sleeves. But I also want to point out, he's done, 43 branded, but 18 of our wedding photographers website. Um, this might look branded, and it could be very well that they are, naturally, on the top. But these days, you'd be surprised how I want to show you the backlinks, how Google's, taking a lot of content. There's something called Rank Brain. I don't want to get technical into it, which is Google's learning machine, the algorithm. And the days of, going with keywords, the exact keywords and anchor text around those keywords are gone. A lot of content ranks, okay? This guy here, if you see, before I go forward, let me show you the content. He's got 7,600 pages. LeanMurrayPhotography.com. Hell of a lot of content. I think your guy had like 192 pages if I'm not wrong. So we might have to beef up the content, the number of pages. For my websites, my lead gen clients, I have a full-time content writer in the Philippines working for me. Okay. That's all she does, full-time, does research and writes content. The other thing, if you see, is the kind of, one quick little thing is when people are looking for PBNs, I'm pretty sure, PBNs, JK call it influence sites. One of the things that not a lot of people talk about is the impact of the keyword or a variation of the main word, like weddings, in the domain name of the page that is linking to you. So not just anchor text. In this guy's case, the anchor text is Lee and Murray photography, but the page URL that's linking from, of course, it's got its power and all that DAPA, but it's got the keyword wedding in it. Okay. Something like lights, glamour around photography and wedding, photo.com. Okay. Shoot. Things like that, they count a lot. I do a lot of testing. I got a 60 network strong PBN. I got a dozen lead gen sites and probably about 3, 4 SEO clients. And these SEO clients pay me like $2,500 a month. Okay. And I can tell you I do a lot of testing. These things count. Okay. Local based, like Pittsburgh, and then service based, not just the keyword, but the URL of the page that is linking from. No wonder he's ranking on the front, because it talks all about relevance, and relevance talks about wedding photography in Pittsburgh, brides, things like that. So that's something we do that, for somebody like my guy, Jason Switzer, if you notice, we did quite a bit of that, and we saw the difference too. So, um, I just want to shoot a quick video on how we're going to be different. A lot of people will say, yeah, we'll put a lot of content, we'll put a lot of links and anchor text optimized. Great, do anchor text that are optimized. But we have kind of advanced. I'm part of a dozen different OMG SEO groups, like OMG, Local Client Takeover, PPL, Army, Job Killing, you name it, Local Profit Breakthrough. I'm in that. We, quite a few things that advanced courses like OMG teaches. I'm not sure if you know or if you're in OMG, but these are some things we do, and we rank. I've never missed a ranking. Let me put it that way. Okay, I don't want to look like I'm touting my own horn, but we can get you ranked, man. Reach out to me and we'll go.